Hey guys, tell me what you think about this. I'm making a pack of assets for beginners and experienced users to help people to make characters. I added, as you can see, a lot of parts: heads, nose, booleans, hands, feet, etc., etc. So the goal, like I said, is to help people to make characters, because if you want to learn to sculpt, most of the time the thing that will be the most difficult will be the proportions. That's why I created, as you can see, a bunch of characters with different proportions to make a different type of characters. You will have this one. This is a beast, human beast, like that, as you can see. This is a lion. I have this character too, as you can see. This one is a muscle character, like that, with big hands. I have some more natural proportions, like this or this. Okay. I have a muscular guy here, like that. A fat guy, like that. It's almost like a sumo. Some cartoon guys, like this one. As you can see, this is nice. This is really funny. Also some girls, like this one with big legs. Up. More natural forms, like that. Like this one too. This one should be, it's a cartoon with the head, as you can see. Like that, etc. Also some children's, like that. Children. So let's add, why not this one? Press Alt G. Let's come here. So imagine you want to make a character. This form is almost what you want, but you want to tweak it a little bit. So I will just first clean everything, because I added a lot in this scene. I will press Ctrl A and make the instance real. I will add it to a collection, because I want to add it to a collection and keep my hierarchy. Okay, that means now, as you can see, I will be able to edit it. Let's see, I want to make it a little bit less stuck, and I can just like that edit this character on the fly. Up, let's select this one, like that. Up. Let's move this, let's edit, up. Let's do that. So you can edit the proportions exactly as you want. You can also, let's get rid of this head. Let's go, I have some nice head. Why not add, yes, this one, why not? I will align it to the x-axis on the grid, and let's move it. Let's see here. Let's try to find the correct size, like that. Okay, so let's move it like that. Let's edit this one. Okay, this is not so bad. Let's do whatever I want. Okay. Oop, I selected the wrong one. Alt Q doesn't want me to select this one. Up, let's go here. Up, yes, this is because this one is still an instance. So let's make it real like the previous one. So now I will be able to edit it. So you can edit this character as you want, do whatever you want, like that. Okay, so this is just to be as fast as possible. And now, as you can see, I made this. Why not remove this one? Let's get rid of this one. Let's add, I have some interesting ends. I like this one, so let's add this one. Up. Oula. Press Alt G. Move it, scale it, like that. Let's make a rotation. Up. Just try to make it as you want, like that. Up. Maybe this is not the correct end for this one, but why not? Let's try. So after that, I can edit to fit the proportions of my character. Let's move it more, like that. Up, let's edit this. Up. So as you can see, this is pretty easy to edit the character as you want. Up, just edit the forms, smooth. And as you can see, now I will have this. So let's add a mirror for this one, because as you can see, everything will follow. Let's parent this like that, and now that will follow. Same, this one is like that. Let's parent this to this, and now I can do that. So just like that, you can edit the character as you want. Like that, like that. You can add different parts, etc, etc. Wow. In fact, I don't like this head for this character, at least. Why not add yes, this maybe up like that. So align it to X, let's move it, let's scale it, let's move it here. So yes, it's interesting with a big head like that. So as you can see, this is fun. I can create whatever I want like that. So now I can parent this to this, and if I rotate this one, bam. So it was easy, it was fast. I need to move this one, up, up. Let's edit this, up, up, like that. Okay. So I made this. In fact, this is a cartoon character now. Let's apply the scale. Same for this, in fact, same for everything. Control A, apply scale, like that. So yes, let's edit it. So now you have the form of your character. For you, this is okay. You can use this one. Maybe let's fix this a little bit. Like that, you can smooth, easy peasy, up. Let's move this one up, 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 up. Let's make this, let's see, like that. Okay, this is better. So I can smooth this part up. Yes, I like this. You can take everything here. So I have all of this. This I can move it to the mail 3 like that. Normally this is this one. Yes, I can move this same to the mail 3. Let's get rid of those ones. Let's delete them. Delete. Yes, same for this one. Delete. Okay. So what I can do now is create a geomesh for the entire character if I want to make one for the entire character. So I will choose this one, let's name it mail, like that, press OK. It will create a geomesh for the entire character, you will see, and we will be able after that to edit the settings of this geomesh. So the interesting part is that you can edit everything. That means let's edit the voxel 2.2 maybe, like that. That will give us this, this one to 30, up, like that. This is much better. So this is the result of our created character. It was fast. Obviously, you can edit absolutely everything. So I still have my base here. I have my geomesh here, like that. I can, if I want, apply my geomesh, convert it. So let's convert it. Yes, okay. And now this is a mesh that I can sculpt on. Okay. So let's hide this one. So this is my new character created from everything here, okay? And I can start sculpting it. So let's use this symmetry and let's smooth some parts up to make it better, because you want something smoother. Up like that. Let's move this. Let's increase the power of this smooth brush. So, and just like that, as you can see, you can smooth all of this to make your character up, 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 and obviously you will be able to sculpt it as you want. So just like that, I removing the part I don't want to see, and I can, for example, let's use this, sculpt my character like that if I want. Okay, so I can use the draw brush, I can sculpt the different parts like that and smooth all of this. So this is just to show you. So as you can see, this is what we have. We can use the remesh or the din topo if you want, and we can, for example, let's duplicate it before because I don't want to lose everything. Let's use constant detail here. Let's enter this to check and click, and we will see the result we will have. Just have to wait a little bit. Maybe 10 is too big. In fact, if you increase the value, the triangle will be smaller, and on the remesh this is the opposite. If you decrease the value, the faces will be smaller. So 10 is maybe too strong. Okay, 10 wasn't okay, 1 is nice. So as you can see, let's hide this. I have this. I can, for example, if I want to make a cartoon character, smooth those parts, up a little bit more, like that, up. Let's add this. Okay, smooth everything I want, like that, and edit my character. And in fact, I used the din topo, but it was also a possibility to, let's hide this. Let's create our geomesh, so I need to show this before. Up, let's name it mal1. I will click on OK. I need an active object because it was hidden the other one, so my bad. Once again, I will have my geomesh, and in the geomesh, when we create it, just have to wait a little bit. We have the adaptability here, so I can increase the value. Let's enter 0.3 just to check. 0.5, and let's take this to 0, and just like that, as you can see, I will have something faster than din topo, and it will be like that for now, but we can sculpt this easily if we want. Okay, so this is just to show you. We can also, if for example we take this and convert this one, like that, I will click OK, let's hide this one. Use a remesh for this one, or a decimate. Let's use a decimate. For the ratio, let's enter 0.3 and press enter. And you will see that it will create this. And you can also sculpt this if you want. So let's enter 0.5, that will give us this result, and we can sculpt. In fact, we have a bunch of ways to make our character as we want, like that. So, like I said previously, from, let's hide this one, no, not this one, it was in fact the other one, let's hide this one. From this, that is still editable, like that, you can create a geomesh if you want, and have your final version here. And for this final version, you can smooth the part you want if you want to make something cartoonish, like that. As you can see, you can also remove those parts for the muscle to make something, as you can see, less organic, more cartoonish. And after that, you can, if you want, let's do that, up. This is nice. You can make a row topology for this one. Up, you can do this, like that, up, use this one, like that, okay? So you can do whatever you want. Okay, and like I said previously, the interesting part is that you can still edit this if you want, rotate it, scale it to make it different, edit this one too, once again, like that, up, like that. If we want, for example, to see more this, let's edit it like that, up. Do whatever you want, and just create a geomesh from this one, like that, and you will have your model. You will be able to make different versions and still keep the base. So you can, like I said previously, create different versions like this one. So let's enter 0.3 for this, like that. Let's enter this, and check your sculpt. And I like to do that. That means making my base with this kind of things, make some geomesh, and test what is working for our character to make different versions like that. Yes, this is the geomesh, it's in front. That's why we can see it like that. So I think this is an interesting workflow, and you can, for example, if you want to change the ends, let's remove this one, like that, let's add this one, up, let's move it, let's scale it, like that, up, scale it, I want big ends, up, this is nice, okay, so let's move it like that. So let's apply everything, let's move them to a collection, so this is nice, and now I can edit this to fit up this character to have what I want. So I have, I can select this one to set it as reference, select this and add a mirror, okay. I can move this to the mail 3, and normally if I click, I will have my character with, as you can see, the end here, like that. So yes, with this you can create as many type of character as you want. With this workflow, with GeoMesh, you can keep everything fully editable. So this is nice, and as you can see, you can edit it and make what you want, and I repeat myself. So that's it. I have a bunch of characters. I have some base meshes, some hands, some eyes, some base mesh character, ears, etc. If I want on this one, I can just remove this here. Here, let's add another one. Let's go in the parts. Why not add something like this one maybe, or this one? Yes, let's add this one. Oula, press Alt G, up, let's move it, let's scale it. Alright, you can be fun with this one. Up, let's move it like that. If we want to make something like that, okay, we can edit it as we want. Select this one, let's make a hole here, like that, up, edit, okay. So let's move it here, let's add a mirror, and in fact I wanted to have this one as reference, okay. And now if we check our GeoMesh, we will have these results. So yes, as you can see, I can edit my character on the fly, test different things, and just check with the GeoMesh if the character will work later. Okay, I can change the feet, I can change the hands, I can change the head, I can change the nose if I want to add something different, etc, etc. Okay, so I hope you like this video and that this part is interesting, and same with this workflow with the GeoMesh. I really like this workflow, it's really nice. That's it. See you later on another video.